Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. So here comes your reading for the month of December 2020, and before I begin my reading, I request all the Arians to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. So Aries, yeah, I have your cards here with me, and let's see what they are pointing at. So I have Nine of Wands, I have Justice, yeah. I have Justice, and then I have High Priest also, and they are pointing me. They are so powerful cards. They are pointing me to one thing, that you have been holding on something from past few weeks. Like you have been struggling with something from since past few weeks, and these cards are here to say that consider this as your last fight, and this is the time where you shouldn't be giving up, Aries. Yeah, this is very important. You are not going to give up this moment, because you see you are going through so many troubles, you are going through so many complications also, and you still have many reasons that you are not no, you cannot stand anymore, you cannot fight anymore, kind of attitude. But Aries, this is no here the cards are pointing to us that you should just hold it for some more time, and with justice in your card, in your reading this time, I would say yes, you are going to be rewarded for all your efforts. So this is a time where you should have more of a positive attitude, where you should have lot of hard work or smart work, whatever, you should be able to give 100% from your end. So just because the things are not working out doesn't mean that we are going to ignore. I know Aries are not like that, but still I'm just talking in general, that if the cards, if the things are not working out in our favor, we usually get disappointed, and we might think that yes, not now, this is not required, I'm not going to do this so honestly. So Aries, here this with justice card is pointing is pointing us in fact that no, this is the time where you shouldn't be no become judgmental about the situation. This is a phase of life, and the better you are going to attain this, the better you are going to address this, you are going to be rewarded also. As we have High Priest equally in our reading, which says that yes, which actually cautions you in with regard to your decisions. So whatever decisions you are taking, Aries, you need to consider your intuition first. It's not just based on someone else's advice, someone else's suggestions, or something that is required from the present environment, like that. So you shouldn't get influential while making any decision. So it's very important, Aries, that listen to your intuition. What exactly, listen to your wisdom. Yeah, what exactly you find correct, you feel that this is what is required, then only do that accordingly. Yeah, and when it comes to finance things, I would say, Aries, this is not the right time for you to go for any investment. Hold on for for a month or so. Let's see in the coming year, probably yes, so you will have some positive time for investment, but this is not the right time that you should be thinking of investment, Aries. I'm seeing a lot of risk involved here. With a High Priest in our reading, I would say yes, you see, even if you are investing something, you need to be cautious about it, and not just simply go with someone's suggestion. You should more no, you should try to assess the things, try to assess things properly, the investment and the risk involved. Yeah, so even if you're in your corner, also corner of your heart, if you're feeling that yes, no, this is quite risky, I shouldn't invest, then please don't go for it, Aries. This is a cautioning message from High Priest here this month. Yeah, so even only when you're fully satisfied, only when you're fully satisfied that yes, this is the right investment for you, so only then do invest, or do accept any proposals also. Unless and until you are not sure about it, don't do that. Yeah, try to assess, try to gather more information to support your decision, Aries. And even it comes to not just finance, but even it comes to your emotional life also, it comes to your career friend also. See, by in career, or if you are occupied, if you're job, if you are doing a job, if you are a student or doing a job, then if something is no you want to give up, I mean you want to resign, or you don't want to work on a particular project, then no, try to assess the situation properly, and only based on that, please take your decision, form your decision, Aries. These are what the cards are saying this month. About your emotional life, Aries, what I have here is, you see, I have an ego card, Archangel Jophiel. So I have an ego card, and I have four of water also. I have unity card also here for you, Aries. No. So what I am seeing here is, with the ego card on the list this month for your emotional or love life, this is saying that you feel a kind of entrapment within you, or with the environment, with the other partner as well. You are like because you feel more of attachment, you are like no this attachment is what is going to trouble you this month. If you are really so much attached, blindly attached to someone, you feel getting entrapped in the situation or with someone, so which is actually not correct. Anyhow, I understand, try to give up that slowly, Aries. That is very important here. Or if you are not also, I mean if you are not attached, if you are not in love presently, if you are a single person, I still would suggest ki don't really give importance to materialistic things, because this is the time when you should be more concerned about your behavior, you should be more concerned about your attitude, your inner well-being, Aries. Yeah, so try to consider these things for this month. And there is another card which is saying that you are not seeing the possibilities also. You know, four of water is here, which says that you are not aware of all the possibilities around, and this is the reason probably the justice and the high priest card are they are cautioning us that, you know, we need to collect more information. Yes, Aries, you need to collect more information before making any decision, as I told you earlier. So you are not aware of, you know, you are not aware of the possibilities around us. To try to collect as much information as possible, yeah, and try to be curious actually, why is this, what is this, how should I do it, and try to get involved with it. This is very important, this is the need of an hour, Aries, for you. And I also have the unity card, where Archangel Sandalphon and traditional viewpoints. So here I am seeing that so here I am seeing that yes, to support you, you will also be having someone as a guidance this month, someone coming into your life, or there is already a person in your life who is going to guide you, not just on the emotional side, also in your career side, on the work related things also. So professional and personal way, wherever you are seeking for advice, wherever you are seeking for guidance, so you will definitely be having just seek for the guidance and release it to the universe. And here the universe is sending you some kind of guidance, in a spiritual guidance can be, or a person coming, the person giving you, telling you exactly what is needed, what is not needed, kind of. You may be already knowing many things, but yes, the presence of this person will make the difference, or will help you in forming a decision. So this is what we have this month, Aries, for you. I also have your energy cards here. Yeah, and they actually two cards popped up for you this month, Aries. And I have two cards which are patience, and I have another card, anxiety. Yeah, so since that time we are trying to understand what is needed, why you should be, you know, this is not the time to give up. So here the energy card is also there, which says that you need to have patience. Try to have little more patience, Aries. I know you are, you know, immediate decision maker. Okay, but this month hold on your decisions, assess the things properly, yeah, and don't give up so immediately. So this is where you need to have some patience, Aries, and at the same time don't be anxious about it. The card straight away says that you are anxious about some particular person or some particular thing. Okay, if something is troubling you, don't be anxious about it. What happens is anxiety is something, no, it will not allow us to settle down, it will not allow us to make any decision also, and it will neither allow us to solve any problem. Overall, if we see, anxiety is something where I am actually planning to come up with a video on anxiety, because being a healer, I have seen many people having this issue. So I want to have I thought of creating this video where I will be talking on anxiety. See, but in short, I would say yes. In no way anxiousness is going to help us. Yeah. So this is important. So try to meditate. Try to practice some breathing exercises also if you are feeling more anxious, because Aries are by nature anxious as well. Yeah. So Aries, try to meditate and have some, because your people are more energetic, and you and no, that energy also, if you're not able to make proper use of your energy, so that also makes that gets carried by, I mean, that is where, you know, our subconscious mind start picking up for some other things also. So this is how anxiety is commonly found in Aries again. So Aries, yeah, please try to practice some breathing exercises and release the anxiety. The more easily you are going to release your anxiousness, the more easily you find able to sustain this this problem or the issues in your life now. And I have your angelic guidance card with me here, Aries. So such a wonderful, wonderful energy card for you, where angels are themselves saying that please ask them for guidance, ask us to help you in this situation, and we will immediately go to work on your behalf. We are governed by many universal laws, and among them is the free will that allows you to make your own choices and decisions. So we patiently await your request. Such a wonderful message from angels, Aries. Yeah. So to release your anxieties, and simply close your eyes and ask the universe or the angels here, and just leave it there. Yeah, let the universe, let the angels work for you from there on. They will be able to provide you guidance if we no don't hold upon the don't hold upon our actions. Yeah. So based on the guidance, anyhow, we need to then work on it. Yeah. So this is what is the angelic guidance this month. There's so much so yes, Aries, I understand this is quite a tough time for you. I wish you really good luck. I hope the next upcoming year is going to give you a lot of positivity and lot of good result and success for you, Aries. So till then, I wish you good luck. Have a great time. Take care. Bye bye.